Hello students, I am Mrs. Reema Sengupta from Shet Vidya Mandir English High School, Vasai. This is the remote learning initiative taken by Shet Vidya Mandir English High School affiliated to CBSE. Today I am going to teach Civics for Standard 8 Public Facilities Part 3. Water supply to Chennai, is it available to all? Although the government tries its best to supply water to every person, in reality, a large section of people are suffering due to shortage of water. Now, we are going to read about water's provision, which is an essential public facility. Chennai has seen several instances of water shortage in the recent years. Its municipal supply is capable of meeting the water supply needs of only half of the people. Few areas get regular supply of water as compared to others. The areas that are situated near shortage points get more water as compared to further regions. The poor people face a lot due to this issue. If the middle class faces water issue, they solve it by different private means like buying tankers or bottled waters and digging bore wells. Apart from that, not every person has access to safe drinking water since water purifiers and bottled water industry has boomed. It has offered a choice to wealthy people. People who can buy these products can afford drinking water while the poor are left out. Due to this, it seems that only those who can afford have access to clean drinking water. It is a far cry from the government's goal of universal access to safe and sufficient water. Taking water from farmers. As several regions in India face shortage of drinking water, it has opened an opportunity for the private companies on a large scale. In Chennai, many private companies buy water from nearby places such as Karangazi, Mamandur and Palur and sell it to the city. Due to this, water is taken away from villages for different purposes such as agriculture, daily uses, etc. The farmers are paid a certain amount of sum every month by water dealers so that the latter can exploit farmers' land in order to collect water. Due to this, there has been a decline in groundwater level in this region. In search of alternatives. The situation faced by Chennai citizens is not new. A number of cities in India face an acute shortage of water during summer months every year. Private companies who sell water in order to earn profit have started increasing due to inability by the municipality to provide so. Another reason is greater inequality of water uses. According to the Urban Water Commission, an average Indian should get 135 liters of water per day, which is equivalent to 7 buckets. People residing in luxury hotels use almost 1600 liters of water per day, which is equivalent to 80 buckets. However, those from slum areas get less than 20 liters of water to utilize, which is equivalent to less than 1 bucket. The inability of municipalities to provide water depicts government's failure to deal with such a situation. People have started favoring private companies to complete their water needs. Conclusion. Under the Indian Constitution, it has been mentioned that right to education, water and health is a part of right to life. It is the duty of government to provide such facilities for the common people. Although the government has implemented various policies to provide such facilities to common people, yet the results are not up to mark. Villages do not have adequate amount of water as compared to cities. Similarly, poor localities do not have adequate water sources as compared to rich localities.